Hello everyone, I am Hema Satish Sharma, TGT Science from Pratap World School, Pathankot. Students, we are discussing the chapter Nutrition in Plants for class 7 and we have already discussed the introduction of the chapter, autotrophic mode of nutrition in plants, definition of photosynthesis, and we know that photosynthesis is the process in which plants utilizes carbon dioxide and water in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight to form food. During the process of photosynthesis, along with the food, oxygen and water vapors are also produced as byproducts. We know that the condition necessary for photosynthesis are sunlight, and sunlight is available in the atmosphere. Chlorophyll is available in the leaves in chloroplast. Carbon dioxide from the atmosphere enters the leaf through stomatal pore. After the process of photosynthesis, the oxygen and the water vapors which are produced are also released in the environment through these stomatal pores. These stomatal pores they remain open only when carbon dioxide needs to be entered and oxygen and water vapor needs to be released. Otherwise, these stomatal pores they remain closed. And we have studied that water is transported to the leaves through the transportation system of plant, which includes xylem and phloem. So water which is absorbed by the root is transported along with the minerals to the leaves through xylem. This much we have discussed. Now today we will be discussing the role of chlorophyll in photosynthesis. Chlorophyll absorbs light energy which is coming from sun and supplies this energy to the leaves. Because leaves are green parts of the plant and leaves contain chlorophyll, that is why the chlorophyll which is present in leaf is absorbing the light energy from the sun. And now how this light energy is utilized in the leaves? This light energy is used to combine carbon dioxide and water to produce food. This way you can see that the light energy which is coming from sun, it is utilized by the chlorophyll to combine carbon dioxide and water to produce food. So in food, this light energy is converted in the form of chemical energy. So what is chlorophyll doing? Chlorophyll is converting the light energy from the sun to the chemical energy of food. Okay. Now we will study what is the role of sunlight in photosynthesis. So we know that the energy which is coming from sun is absorbed by the chlorophylls which are present in chloroplast, and in this chlorophyll is using this energy to combine carbon dioxide and water to give sugar and oxygen. So the light energy of the sun is captured by plant leaves with the help of chlorophyll, and this light energy is converted to chemical energy and is stored in the form of food. This chemical energy gets stored in the form of plant food. Now in next chapter we will be studying about the synthesis and storage of food other than carbohydrates. Thank you.